Good day, everyone. This topic about human sexual behavior allowed me to see sexuality not just a biological function but as something that connects deeply with psychology, culture, values, and relationships. I realized that sexuality is a natural part of being human, but is also shaped by how society views gender roles, morality, and intimacy. This topic made me reflect on the importance of responsibility, consent, and respect in expressing sexuality. It showed me that healthy sexual behavior is not only about physical satisfaction but also about emotional well-being, communication, and trust between individuals.